Welcome to the Essential Guide on Mastering Conversion Tracking within the Bitmedia.io dashboard. Today, we're unlocking the power of precise ad optimization through effective conversion tracking. Let's dive in and transform how you measure success in your crypto banner ad campaigns. Setting up conversion tracking is straightforward. From your Advertisers dashboard, navigate to the Conversions section and click on Create Conversion. Fill out the form with your conversion's name, description, type, and unique event ID. Then hit Save. You'll see your new conversion listed with a stopped status. To activate, simply toggle the switch next to the stopped status and confirm your action. Your conversion status will change to active. Next, click Get Code to retrieve your integration codes. You'll need the general code for all website pages and either the client-side URL or postback code, depending on where the target action occurs. Integrate the general code into your website's body section. Then, depending on your conversion action, add the client-side URL or postback code as needed. Now, let's analyze the results. Access general information on your conversions at the Bitmedia.io conversions page. For ad group specific data, click the Statistics by Source and Conversion Logs tabs within any ad group. For a comprehensive analysis, head to the Reports section. Here, you can delve into metrics like conversions and conversion amounts, gaining valuable insights into your campaign's performance. Congratulations! You've successfully set up conversion tracking on Bitmedia.io. This tool is your key to unlocking precise ad optimization and achieving your campaign goals. For any questions or further assistance, your Bitmedia.io account manager is ready to help. Thank you for choosing Bitmedia for your advertising needs. We look forward to seeing your success.
Need help setting up conversion tracking, activating it, or connecting Bitmedia tracking through Google Tag Manager? We've prepared short and easy video guides for each step. Simply click on the videos displayed on your screen to set everything up in minutes.
Until next time, happy optimizing.